Good morning. Today we are going to party like a panda with the Simon Says stamp August 2019 card kit. Party like a panda. This is a totally cute card kit. First of all, you got your mini sucker. And you have your inspiration sheet. Really cute, cute, cute stuff. Okay, so let's get started with the stamp set. Of course, it's a nice big stamp set, 6x8, Party Like a Panda. And you get so many fun little images. You get this happy birthday that's really cute. This party is going to be stupendous. You got the cute little panda holding a piece of cake. You're allowed to cause as much pandemonium as you'd like. It's your, you can do birthday. I can't believe I missed the party. I'm here for the party and all the cake. And there's a sad little panda. Did he miss the party? Party time. And this one is, he's partying. I'm so sorry. Hooray. Look at that cute one laying on his belly. Let's celebrate. You got a happy birthday there. You can use that with it's your happy birthday. No, it's your birthday. Party like a panda because birthdays only happen once a year. Oh my gosh. Did I seriously forget your birthday? Let's celebrate. Hip hip hooray. It's party time. You get lots of fun presents. You get lots of fun balloons in different shapes. And then you get the happy balloon bundle. Stars, party hats. So much fun little stuff. Confetti. A heart. A couple of hearts. A lot of fun little images. Okay, so there's that. And then you get the picture book panda wafer die. And what's really cool with this, I don't have any of these picture book dies, so I'm excited to play with this. But they give you flock transfer sheets. Now, from what I understand, you can use these in two ways. You can use them with the transfer gel, and then you have to use your laminator, or you can just put adhesive on the back of it, and they give you this adhesive sheet. You can put adhesive on the back of it and then just die cut it. So I think that's the way I'm going to go. So you get 4 sheets each of black ice and white latte, and so you get the adhesive sheet. Okay, so there's that. You get 12 sheets double-sided Doodlebug papers, and these don't really have a name. These were custom done by Doodlebug for this kit. That's what it reads. So I don't think you'll be able to buy this separately, but of course, fun little Doodlebug papers. Look how I love all the little candles. I think they have faces on them. Yeah, that's so cute. I love all the different ginghams and stripes, little clouds, balloons. Lots of rainbows, balloons, presents and balloons. It's just got like a little Swiss dot pattern. It's like a linen kind of pattern with all hearts and little ice creams. Okay, so there's that. Okay, let's see. The sticky adhesive. Oh, you get a Spectrum Noir clear sparkle overlay, and to use it, you just do this, take that out, screw this back together, and then you squeeze, squeeze, squeeze till it starts coming down the barrel, and you're good to go. Okay, you get 2 envelopes, one in white, one in doll pink, and then you get Simon Says cardstock in peacock teal, black, doll pink, and Simon's 120 pound. So great for making card bases. Okay, so that is the fun Party Like a Panda Simon Says stamp August 2019 card kit. There is also a coordinating die set that is available. I will link that down below as well as like all the questions and answers about card kit subscriptions, the subscription, the kit itself, you know, any information that you would need. And I will see you soon in the next video.